Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to make your coaching sessions more effective from the very first minute? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically send a pre-work survey when someone books through Calendly. First, log into your Calendly and select your coaching event type. Click Edit to modify it. Scroll down to the section labeled Additional Questions or Custom Questions. This is where you can add your survey. Click to add a new question. You can create multiple choice questions, drop-downs, or, most importantly, text fields for open-ended answers. Add questions like, what is your biggest goal for our session? Or what would make this time most valuable for you? When your new client books their session, these questions will appear right in the booking form. They have to answer them to secure their spot. Their responses are then saved directly in the Calendly booking details. So you can review them and come to the call perfectly prepared. And that's it. You now have a system that helps you understand your client's needs before you even meet, making your coaching sessions dramatically more focused and valuable. If you add a pre-work survey, let me know your favorite question to ask in the comments. See you in the next one.